our dear colleagues from Pristina, they look at our political scene, they analyze the situation in Serbia on a daily basis. Generally, in the society, there is much more engagement on the issue of Kosovo and Metohija. Here, this is a very important issue, but it is one of the issues. We also have the economic situation, which is very important. We have European integrations, and this is why, through internal dialogue, we can create greater social engagement to deal with this problem. We can actually use the knowledge that the universities have, the young generation, the non-governmental organizations. We can use the strength of the entire society to try to find a way out of a tunnel that has been lasting not just in the period since 1990 until this day, but I would say that has been extended for generations. And I believe that we need, as a society, to work together to create a vision. Our friends from the Albanian side, from the days of Prisoner League, from 1878 and even before that, they have been striving to achieve a certain goal. They've had their lobbies in New York, in Germany, in other important capitals of the world generations ago.